When every dollar counts, knowing how to move home cheaply is essential. But here's the thing, it's not just about saving money, it's about doing it safely without putting your belongings or your sanity at risk. Save where you can, spend where it counts, and always keep value for money as your guiding principle. In today's video, I'll share practical tips to cut moving costs, highlight the risks that come with cheap moves, and most importantly, show you how to avoid them. First off, start planning at least 6 to 8 weeks before you move. Why? Because the earlier you plan, the more you save. Pick the right move date. Weekdays and mid-month dates can be 10 to 30% cheaper than summer weekends. Create a simple budget. Write down everything. Transport, labour, packing, fuel, deposits, even pet care. Add a 10 to 15% buffer for surprises, because trust me, they'll always come up. Declutter aggressively. The fewer items you move, the cheaper it gets. Sell what you don't need, donate what you can, and only keep what you truly love. Transportation is where most of your money goes, so choose wisely. For short moves under 50 miles, rent the smallest truck you can get away with. For long distance moves, consider hybrid options like moving containers, shared freight, or one-way truck rentals. These can save up to 50% compared to full service movers. But here's the catch, always read the fine print. Get at least 3 quotes, ask about hidden fees, and make sure you get a binding or not to exceed estimate in writing. Packing materials can add up fast, but you don't need to spend a fortune. Grab 3 boxes from grocery or liquor stores. Just check they're sturdy and pest-free. Use your own towels, bedding and clothes as packing material. Stick to standard box sizes so they stack more efficiently, and label everything clearly by room. And don't forget, disassemble large furniture in advance, bag up the screws and tape them to the frame. That way you save time and truck space. Hiring a full service crew can be expensive, but you don't have to go fully DIY either. Try a hybrid labour model. You pack everything yourself, then hire movers just for loading and unloading. It is often 60 to 80% cheaper. Give us a call now on 800 989 8833 to see just how much your move will cost. Or if you've got strong family or friends, offer food or gift cards in exchange for help. Just make sure to assign roles, keep paths clear, and save the heaviest jobs for the pros. The savings don't stop with trucks and boxes. Plan your driving route to avoid expensive tolls. Driving at 55 to 60 miles per hour can save fuel too. Synchronise your utilities so you're not paying double. And don't forget to forward your mail. And protect your security deposit with a deep clean and photo evidence before you hand back the keys. Oh, and one more thing. Never skimp on insurance. Being underinsured is the #1 home moving mistake. Using your existing renters or homeowners policy is often cheaper than mover insurance, but always confirm in writing what's covered during transit. And remember that insurance rarely covers anything that you've packed yourself, so check that carefully. Unfortunately, cheap moving also attracts scams. Here are some warning signs. Movers asking for large deposits up front, phone-only quotes with vague pricing, unmarked trucks with no US DOT number. The fix: always check reviews, pay by credit card, and insist on a written, detailed estimate. A budget move isn't about cutting corners everywhere, it's about smart spending. Pay a little extra for the right things like sturdy tape or a couple of hours of professional labour, and you'll protect the big savings you get from off-peak scheduling, free packing supplies, and DIY prep. If you like this episode, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our awesome content. And don't forget to head on over to MoveAdvisor.com, where you will find guides to make every aspect of your home move cheaper, easier, and safer. Thanks for watching. Bye.